E-commerce, short for electronic commerce, refers to the buying and selling of goods and services over the Internet. It involves the online transaction of products, services, and information between businesses, consumers, or a combination of both. In an e-commerce transaction, buyers can browse through product catalogs, select items, make payments, and complete the purchase process electronically. E-commerce has gained significant popularity and has revolutionized the way people conduct business and shop. Here are the key components and types of e-commerce. 1. Online retail. E-commerce enables businesses to sell products directly to consumers through online retail platforms or their own websites. This includes the sale of physical goods like clothing, electronics, books, and more. 2. Services. E-commerce also includes the online provision of services such as travel bookings, hotel reservations, ticketing, digital subscriptions, online courses, and various professional services. 3. Digital products. E-commerce encompasses the sale of digital products such as software, e-books, music, videos, online gaming, and other downloadable content. 4. Marketplaces. Online marketplaces bring together multiple sellers offering a wide range of products or services on a single platform. Examples include Amazon, eBay, Alibaba, and Etsy. 5. Business to business, B2B. E-commerce facilitates transactions between businesses. It involves the electronic exchange of goods, services, or information between companies. B2B e-commerce is commonly used in industries like manufacturing, wholesaling, and supply chain management. 6. Business to consumer, B2C. B2C e-commerce refers to transactions between businesses and individual consumers. It allows consumers to purchase products or services directly from online retailers or brand websites. 7. Consumer to consumer, C2C. C2C e-commerce enables individuals to sell products or services directly to other consumers through online platforms. Examples include classified ads websites, online auctions, e.g., eBay, and peer-to-peer marketplaces. E-commerce offers several advantages, including convenience, wider product selection, access to global markets, cost savings, and the ability to compare prices and read customer reviews. It has also opened doors for small businesses and entrepreneurs to reach customers worldwide without the need for physical store locations. However, e-commerce also comes with challenges, such as security concerns, online fraud, customer trust, logistics, and customer service. Maintaining a user-friendly website, ensuring secure online payment systems, and providing excellent customer support are essential for success in e-commerce. Overall, e-commerce continues to evolve with advancements in technology and consumer behavior, transforming the way businesses operate and people shop in the digital age. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon.